the Escalators Sears. Stonewood, sorry. I guess I should say stairs. Oh, look at the gap of space in between the escalators. I'll show that on the way down to you guys.
Well, I'm gonna stop here and get a photo. Perfect. I already got it. Old Broadway, and I bet you these were marble walls at a time.
Potentially.
No, they definitely were, because Broadway loved using marble walls.
Yeah.
Probably have brown handrails too.
Beautiful, beautiful stuff, Blake. I like this gap of space you can see down. That's cool.
Yes. Did the Topanga Sears escalators look just like these two?
Otis Escalators. So they had glass balustrades in these same step plates. But it said like ESCAL-AIRE.
I might want to look at your video before it got demolished.
Yeah.
So you can compare them.
Those are Smiths.
They are.
There is key switches. Now, they shall go downward.